But what
Second, when you believe that you have a very huge superpower backing, and you believe that you are more strong, you lose wisdom. You believe the force, the power. You don't believe the interest of your people, or the consequences, how long it goes. So that is why I don't believe, unless a balance of power comes, unless the superpowers understand the reality that they have no interest to make people fight and kill each other, but find a solution and forcing us to agree, or otherwise leave us to agree between us.
Somalia, with all its problems and poverty, sits among the oil-rich producing nations. And although Somalia is not producing oil, it does have a prize. An air base at the port of Berbera that was built by the Russians in their heyday. That was before they were expelled in 1977. While the Russians once supported Somalia, the United States at that time was a friend of Ethiopia. Now the sides have changed.
We believe that Soviet Union betrayed us.
You did?
Yes, that is what we believe, because we had an agreement that we should not kill or hit on the back one to another. So when they went on the other side and make a new marriage against us, sending forces against us, against our own country, bombardment our children, with their planes, this is betrayal of the agreement, of the word of honor, of the agreement which existed. We were good friends. We were not dependent. I am very bad dependent, but I am very good friend. If we today agree something, I will remain to it. But at the level of friend, not at the level of dependent. We hate dependent. We hate colonialism. We hate those who believe colonialism and man on other man.